This is a learning environment model for a lesson in an introductory programming course. It's from early in the course on if statements. I'll zoom in here so we can see the individual pieces. Okay, it starts off with student. Let's call her Anne. The first thing she sees is a bit of code and then an example she can look at of a karaoke program. The program is simple. The user types in the name of a song, and if the program knows that song, it'll show the lyrics for it. Next, she sees another example that has an else. So type in the name of the song. If the program knows that song, it'll show the lyrics, else it'll show a message, I don't know that song. In both of these cases, Anne can use EVA. EVA is a program that I wrote that simulates the execution of a program. It's a computer running inside a computer, more or less. And it's animated so Anne can watch the program as it executes. So Anne started off with just an if statement, then she's gone to if else. Then else if is introduced. So this lets the program have an unlimited number of song titles. So if the song is this, show the lyrics, else if the song is that, show the lyrics, else if the song is the other, show the other lyrics. The same sort of thing, there's a program here and Anne can run it and watch the animation of it running. All of these are string ifs, that is, the song names are text data, and so is the output. There'll be another example here with a different example that involved numeric data, so students can see that. This will be a program for computing the tip, for example, for a meal. The if statement might test whether the meal total is greater than 0. If it's not, there's no point in doing the calculation. Once Anne has looked at that material, it's time for her to do some work. So she's going to do 2 exercises. This one here, favorite animal, is a string processing exercise. She'll write a program that asks the user to type in their favorite animal, like cow or dog or whatever it is, and then the program will output the sound that that animal makes, moo or woof, or if it's an unknown animal, output unknown animal. The second exercise is some dog advice. The user types in how many dogs they have, 1, 0, 1, 2, etc., and they get a message back depending upon how many dogs they have. So if they say they have no dogs, they get a message back saying you should get some dogs. If they say 1 dog, the message will be you need another dog, and so on. Both of these exercises, Anne will get formative feedback and summative feedback for each of them. So the formative feedback, she writes the program, submits it, a grader looks at it with a rubric. Not only does the program work, but do the variables have good names, is the code indented, and some other things like that. She'll get a list of things she did right and wrong. If the program isn't complete, she'll get a chance to do it again. If she does get it right, the summative part of this is if she gets everything right, then she actually gets a complete mark that's recorded on her record. And that for her is the end of the lesson.